What's up, YouTube and everyone watching? I'm coming at you with another tutorial for this week. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to tag your YouTube videos to rank higher. Now, of course, everyone wants to rank higher for certain keyword terms. This way you're getting more traffic, more views to your YouTube videos. And what I'm going to do today is actually take you step by step over the shoulder and actually tag a video and show you how I tag my videos in an over-the-shoulder tutorial, so you want to stay to the end, definitely. If you like real over-the-shoulder business tutorials, business advice, things that you could take away and implement in your own business, in your own personal brand, or just for you to grow personally, then click that subscribe button down below, click the bell icon so you get my weekly videos. Now I'm going to jump in, share my screen, and show you how I tag my YouTube videos in 1 second, so grab a coffee, grab a pen and notepad so you can take some notes, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen and I'm in the back end of my YouTube channel. Now, if you're new to YouTube, I'm going to take my time and explain this. If you've been using YouTube and you're a little bit more advanced, please just be a little patient because I want everyone to get this. So when you first upload your video, it's going to upload and then you'll be able to pretty much edit the back end. And when I'm saying edit the back end, you're going to see this section. So your video will be here and you'll see a place where you can put your title of your video, which is right here that I just highlighted, then a place where you can put your description of your video, which is right here where I just highlighted, and you get up to 5,000 characters in there, and then you'll see this bottom section right here where you can add up to 500 characters, which is your tags. Now your tags, they're not like hashtags or just a whole bunch of words together. These are tags that are very important. These are separate search phrase terms, like you see right here, how to make someone admin on Facebook page 2018. These are all terms that are very related to your video. Now, this all stems from your main term. Now, my main term that I came up with was how to make someone admin on Facebook page. And the reason why I came up with this term is I know a lot of my clients and a lot of my associates were asking how to do this. So I wanted to provide a solution. So no matter what space you're in, there is solutions that you can help provide in a simple way, in a simple tutorial. I'm providing a solution right now on how to add tags, and I really want to do it in an easy, simple, but very in-depth way so that you're not missing anything, right? So I can provide this tutorial to you. The same thing on how to add someone as an admin on Facebook page. Now, I came up with that term because I know it's getting searched, I know I can provide the solution to it, and then what I'll do next to figure out my tags. And remember, your tags are just similar terms and variations to your main term. So my main term is how to make someone admin on Facebook page. I want to find similar terms that other people are typing in that my video can help with. So the way I do that is, the first way, I'm using TubeBuddy. Paid extension, the version I'm using, they do have a free version. I'll link that down below, TubeBuddy. I love it. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a free way also. But TubeBuddy, they have a tag tool. It gives you suggested tags. You see here, I could add this to my tags. How to add admin and Facebook page. They pretty much are scraping around YouTube and finding terms that they think are related to my main term and that I should optimize my video for. And that's one great way to use this TubeBuddy tool. But another way I do it, and I'm going to show you a free way, because I'm not sure if this tag tool is in the free version. It might be, it might not. This is definitely one way I look at, but my favorite way I'm going to show you right now, and I'm going to go over to Google. First, let me copy my main term. So once you have your main term, you definitely want to have a variation in your title and in your description, in those areas, definitely, to help on-page optimize your video. The next thing I would do is I go over to Google and I type my main term in. And you'll notice you're going to see search volume pop up here. And this is because I have a free Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. Write that down, and you want to go and get Keywords Everywhere. And this is telling me that this search term gets about 1,000 searches per month on average. If you're just starting out, I would try to go for terms under 1,000 and just be very consistent with your videos, because you don't have enough brand weight is what I call it. Usually terms around 1,000 or more, they're called competitive terms because a lot of people are searching for them, and other people that are making videos around those terms that have a lot of brand weight, which is a lot of engagement on their YouTube channel, a lot of subscribers, a lot of videos, a lot of publicity, right? They're going to outrank you. So you want to go after terms in the beginning under that. But even if you see 50 searches a month, they all add up. If you're getting even sometimes 0, you'll see over here, these are related terms where it says related keywords. And this is why I love this Chrome extension. It's actually telling me other keywords that people are typing in Google that are related to mine. I could take a nice list of these. So how to make someone an admin on Facebook page on mobile. And if my video is able to tell someone how to do that, I might add that as my tag. How to add admin to Facebook page on iPhone. Obviously, these are getting searched. And don't let the 0 volume a month fool you. If Google's pulling this information, there's a reason why they're showing this. This is definitely getting searched. Maybe it's not as much as this main term, but it's still getting searched, and we still want to optimize for it so that our video could get in front of people, right? So we rank higher for these terms and get traffic to our video, get more views, and really get more engagement. Now the next thing I'll do is I'll also come over to my main search term, and you see how right away when I click in the box, this is called Google Suggest. They're suggesting what I might be looking for, other terms that are related. So this is another great way to look through and see, okay, Facebook page admin roles explained, where is page roles on Facebook. And another way I do this is I start taking away some terms. So maybe I'll do this, I'll take away the word page and then put a space and see what they say. How to make someone admin on a Facebook group. All right, so I'll start getting ideas from this and making a list. And I love seeing, let's say, if I get rid of the how-to, let's just put this here and put a space. Make someone admin on Facebook page. Great term. Look, $5.90 a month. That's a great term. So then I start taking notes on all of these terms and seeing which ones are best related to my video. And also, is there any that's getting some search volume? You see how this one says $5.90 a month? Good term, making sure I'm optimized for that. And we could get rid of this. Maybe if I put business page, make someone admin on business page, and this is going to start giving me some other ideas, right? And what I also like to do is when my terms in here also, I scroll all the way down to the bottom and searches related to make someone admin on Facebook business page, and then they're giving me some more searches. Can add admin to Facebook page, add admin to Facebook page mobile. So you start to get more ideas, and again, I make a list of these too. So then what I'll do is I'll make my list in a Google Doc, and I'll copy and paste it over into Word Counter. And you could just Google Word Counter, it's wordcounter.net, and I'll leave a link below. And I would paste all of my terms in here, and what I want to separate them with is just a comma. So if my first term is, and I'll do this for you so you could really understand this, how to make someone admin on a Facebook page. I know that's like my main term, so I want to add that there. Then I'll put a comma, and then I'm going to paste my next term, how to make someone Facebook admin. Right? And then I'll paste my next term. And I want to make sure I'm under 500 characters. And right here, that's why we're using Word Counter, because in the back end of my YouTube channel, my tag section right here, where I can add all my tags, I have to be 500 or less. You see right now I'm 496. And also another cool thing about that TubeBuddy plugin that I have right now, you see how it's telling me where I'm ranking? This is where I'm ranking for certain terms. I'm number 6 for one term. I'm number 11. So I know I'm on page 1, which is pretty cool. And that's what another great feature about TubeBuddy. It lets you know where you're ranking for some of your tags. And the reason why I'm ranking for those tags is not only am I super optimized in other areas, but because I'm adding these tags to the video, it helps it rank higher for those terms. That's why you want to make sure you're really utilizing your tag section the best way you can and getting a decent amount of variations of how people might be typing in the solution that you're providing. Again, I'm providing how to make someone admin on Facebook, but somebody else might be searching for it different, and we can use keywords everywhere and Google to help us find that. And another thing is, even just on YouTube alone, and I'm going to go over to YouTube real quick. I just typed in my main term, how to make someone admin on Facebook page, right? That's my main term. And you see, even in YouTube, it's showing me search volume. It's showing me decent search volume. And this is because I'm using keywords everywhere, Chrome extension. So it works in Google and YouTube, and you could search in both areas, in YouTube and Google, and you could do the same thing in
YouTube that you do in Google. You could start playing with it by giving it spaces, and it'll show you how to make someone admin on Facebook page, iPhone, where it's telling you what people are searching for within inside Google and YouTube. So you can write these keywords down, make a list of them, the top 10, 15, 20 that you know are very related to your video. Come over to word counter, paste them in here, make sure you're under 500 characters, then come back over to your tag section, and you could literally just copy them right from the word counter and paste them in here, and just make sure you're under 500. If you're not, if you're a little over, you might have to delete one, but that's how you add tags to the back end of your YouTube video to help you rank higher. And these tags really make a big difference. You want to make sure that you're definitely utilizing this area and adding tags that are very related and different variations of your main term.
So that is the process that I use to tag all my YouTube videos. Again, it's one of those really important optimization tactics you want to use on all your videos, so I hope that's helpful. And if you did find this useful and helpful, please click that like button if you did. And again, it's all about testing this stuff out and taking massive action, because I know you will see results if you stay consistent and if you just take the action to do it. Any questions you have, leave in the comments below. Share this with anyone that this can help. And I will also leave that free website design course for you. It's absolutely free. I'll put that link in the description as well. So definitely check that out, and I'll see you in the next video.